Today we are going to discuss about schizophrenia. It is a serious mental condition characterized by disorder of thoughts, emotions, faulty perception, and withdrawal from reality. It is mostly seen between the age group of 16 to 30 years. Males are slightly more affected than females. The global prevalence of schizophrenia is 1% of the population. That means 1 in 100 people suffers from the disorder. In India, about 4.3 to 8.7 million people suffer from schizophrenia. The term schizophrenia was coined by Swiss psychiatrist Paul Eugene Bleuler. Schizophrenia is characterized by hallucinations. Hallucinations are faulty perceptions where a person hear or see things that other persons do not. Delusion, which is a false but fixed, firm and unshakable belief. In his delusion, a person may believe that authorities are trying to arrest him, or he may believe that people around him are trying to steal from him. In some other type of delusion, people believe that dark forces are trying to harm him, or he may believe that the government is spying on his daily activities. In some other kind of delusion, people believe that his private informations are being stolen by hackers, or he may also believe that he has a microchip in his brain transmitting information. Another phenomenon seen in schizophrenia is thought broadcasting, where a person believes that his thoughts and intentions are broadcasted in radio and television. Because of these hallucinations and delusions, we may find a person with schizophrenia behaving in a way not acceptable to the society. When schizophrenia becomes chronic, many people may start to show negative symptoms, like apathy, which means lack of interest; avolition, that means decreased motivation. Gradually, he gets withdrawn from the society. For years, people with schizophrenia have been victims of social stigma. Many get rejected in interviews or get terminated from their job because of stigma. They face rejection from family and friends. It is often very difficult for them to be accepted as a partner in a relationship or to get married. So, what causes schizophrenia? Scientists believe that schizophrenia may be caused by abnormal genetic mutation. It can be caused by stress, poor maternal nutrition before birth, poor nutrition in the early childhood, and effects of viruses in pregnant mothers and small children may cause schizophrenia. Schizophrenia often develops secondary to abuses of substances like alcohol, cannabis, and various kinds of drugs. Researchers believe that imbalance of neurochemicals like dopamine and glutamate in brain may cause schizophrenia. So what is the treatment? With proper treatment, the symptoms of schizophrenia can be completely controlled. Various antipsychotic medications are currently available which can control most of the symptoms of schizophrenia. But a person with schizophrenia should never stop medications on their own. Along with medications, psychotherapy also plays a great role in helping the person to control his symptoms and to get reintegrated in the society. Please don't discriminate the people with schizophrenia. Be kind and be friendly and help them to overcome the condition. Patients with schizophrenia can get employed. They can have a family. So, now you know that schizophrenia is not a result of dark magic or because of supernatural influence. It is just another medical condition. Spread awareness to spread happiness.